All new at 10 tonight, a Cache County woman is asking lawmakers to back a bill that hits really close to home for her, a connection to a young woman named Desiree Turner.
We've reported on Desiree before. She was shot in the head in 2017 and died from her injuries last year. But because her shooters were sentenced in 2018, when Desiree was still alive, they were never charged with her murder. The Cache County Attorney's Office says the Fifth Amendment protects them from new prosecution, and that's something Desiree's mom wants to change in the future.
Our Mackenzie Diaz is following the story for us tonight. Mackenzie, we're talking about SB 92 here.
Yeah, well, that bill aims to make sure that families get justice after a death comes years after an attack.
9 years ago, my daughter Desiree Turner was shot in the back of the head and left for dead.
April Turner describes the horror her daughter Desiree Turner experienced at just 14 years old. Two boys shot her in the head and left her in a canal. She survived the shooting at first, living with severe injuries for about 8 years, until last year.
It is called a delayed death.
Turner says her daughter's shooters were convicted of attempted murder, not murder.
The attackers received a lighter sentence, and simply because she lived longer.
That leaves the family without the accountability they want.
They got off for attempted murder instead of murder because she lived.
Criminal Deputy Dane Murray says Utah doesn't have a law that addresses these types of cases. That bill would allow prosecutors to file new murder or aggravated murder charges if a victim dies later from their injuries.
SB 92 recognizes the flaw in the system.
Defense Bar also spoke on Wednesday saying the bill is constitutional, but that it's a policy decision for lawmakers.
Some questions about whether there'd be credit for time served on their previous conviction and wondering if there should be a time limit.
This is more than just a bill to the Turner family. They want to see a change.
The credit for someone living is not theirs to claim. That should be a triumph for the victim, not a technicality for the defense.
And this bill will now head to the full Senate, and if it's approved, it will have to pass in the House. Reporting in Salt Lake City, Mackenzie Diaz, ABC 4 News.